Hey there, entrepreneurs! Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to secure funding for your business. If you're looking to get funding for your business, you're in the right place. Whether you're a startup or an established business, securing the right funding can be a game changer. Today, I'm walking you through the key steps to securing that much-needed capital. We'll cover everything from initial consultations to building strong business credit. And, if you want more details, head over to yourfundingsolutions.com. They have a wealth of resources to help you navigate the funding landscape. First up, you need to consult with your funding solutions. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your funding journey. They offer coaching programs and consulting calls that guide you through the entire funding process. Their experts will help you understand the different types of funding available and which ones are best suited for your business. Trust me, having expert advice can make all the difference. It can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches down the road. You can reach them via email at info@yourfundingsolutions.com or call them at 888-698-2994. Don't hesitate to get in touch. Their team is always ready to assist you. Next, it's time to pre-qualify. This step is essential to ensure you're on the right track. Before diving into applications, you need to determine if you're eligible for funding. This involves reviewing your business's financial health and understanding the criteria set by potential lenders. Your Funding Solutions has a pre-qualification process that helps you understand where you stand. They will assess your business's financials and provide you with a clear picture of your funding options. This step is crucial because it saves you time and effort, making sure you're applying for the right type of funding. It also helps you avoid unnecessary rejections. Now let's talk about building strong business credit. This is a long-term strategy that pays off significantly. This is something you can't afford to ignore. A strong business credit score opens doors to better funding opportunities and more favorable terms. Pay your bills on time, maintain low credit utilization, and regularly review your credit reports. These habits will help you build and maintain a strong credit profile. Doing these things will improve your chances of securing loans with favorable terms and interest rates. Lenders are more likely to trust businesses with a solid credit history. So, why is business credit so important? It's not just about getting approved for loans. Well, lenders look at your business credit to assess risk. A strong credit score can also help you negotiate better terms with suppliers and partners. A strong credit history shows them that you're reliable and trustworthy, which can significantly improve your chances of getting approved. It also positions your business as a credible and stable entity. Remember, the key to successful funding is preparation. The more prepared you are, the smoother the process will be. And that's where your Funding Solutions really shines. They provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to be fully prepared. They connect you with the best funding sources and help you build a solid financial foundation for your business. Their support doesn't end once you secure funding. They continue to offer guidance to ensure your business thrives. To recap, consult with your Funding Solutions, pre-qualify for funding, and build strong business credit. These steps are your roadmap to success. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to securing the funds you need to grow your business. Remember, persistence and preparation are key. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. And for more detailed information, visit yourfundingsolutions.com. They have a comprehensive library of resources to help you every step of the way. Until next time, keep hustling and take your business to new heights. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward.